Hey YouTube, Ricky Weeks fan here. Went to the card shop and bought a couple boxes. I got a Topps Chrome 2010 and Allen Ginter, that 2011 Allen Ginter. I'll open a little bit later. I'm going to do this one first. Pulled the plastic off already. My wife came out and started talking to me, so I should cut it short. So here we go. Alright. It's all base. Try to line this up right. Base. Looking for 2 autographs. Hopefully I get a USA autograph. I'm gonna keep them wrappers. I don't know if that redemption is still any good yet or not. Carlos Santana rookie base. It's my first time doing this. I don't know how. Got a blue refractor of Brandon Phillips, number to 150. Kind of a quiet video. Not sure what to say. Too busy looking at these. So. Be nice to have a refractor auto, gold auto, any color. See some color in there. I got a A-Rod, number 2 999 refractor. Rest is base. Another Josh Beckett refractor. Wow, that's shiny in that light. Probably not to you guys, but I got blinded. Where I'm sitting. I guess Chris on here got shorted. One box got shorted. Ordonez refractor. Rester base. I guess Chris, the hobby box, got shorted. One box, I guess, got shorted. All the autos. You were saying there's a couple boxes had like doubles in there and all that. So there, Lance Berkman. Oh, that thing's all scratched up. Maybe you can see it on there, but man, it's got scratches all over it. My luck, I'll have one like his. No, no autos in it. James Shields refractor. Sorry if I'm not showing the cards very well, because this is my first time doing this, and more interested in looking at the cards than. And of course, I pull a redemption. Why not, right? Could it be a Strasburg? Should I turn it over? Probably a leak. Ooh, Brian Matus. Not bad. Rookie base. That's pretty nice. So, there's one. Not a bad one. I've heard of them at least. I got a blue. I see something in there. Oh, Brad Miller, USA. Uh-oh. I don't know what the odds of those are, but not a bad box. Brad Miller, USA. Infield, USA. I'm psyched. The rest of the box is probably shot now. Unless I can get another one. There's something blue. Oh. What is this? I can't see what that is. It's like Ellsbury. Number to 199. Blue refractor, number to 199. Put that over there in the good pile. I'm pretty happy. It's a nice box here. Be nice to get another one. Liriano. Number 2. Looks like 1961. Time I get another refractor. Tyson Ross, ain't too bad. Nice refractor. Rookie refractor. I hope you guys are seeing these cards well enough. I'm kind of zipping through this pretty quick. Another refractor in there. Scott Sizemore refractor. And my son just told me I'm not showing the cards very well. Another refractor. Brian Matusz refractor to go along with my auto. I'll take it. Sorry if this video is messed up and you ain't seeing much of the cards. Just doing it best I can. All I need now is a gold auto, or gold refractor, or a red refractor. That'd be killer. And Zimmerman, face. Another refractor. Brandon Hicks, rookie refractor. Hitting a lot of refractors, I think. I don't know what the normal is for a box of this, though. Got a lot of them in there. No refractor in this one. And this is it. Well, 2 autographs. I'm very psyched. Got the USA Brad Miller USA rookie autograph on card, actually, and the Brian Matusz base rookie, but I'll take it. Alright guys, look for the other one next box. Thanks.